was trying to go over to the other. Are you sure? I'm sorry, I need to fucking stop. There's a helicopter. I'm gonna shoot the fucking helicopter. His tires are fucked. Are you shooting me or is that his friend?
I got shot. Fucking prick. Fuck you, man.
Did he leave the group?
I logged out. Where's the Tom? We just got ambushed. I can snipe them. Snipe them. Go ahead. I don't know where they're at though. Whereabouts do they shoot you from? I need to know. Man, behind the rock, there's a helicopter there. One of them posted up behind a rock and the helicopter. On the back of the crazy one.
I got one. One's gone. One's dead.
Nice shot.
I'm almost dead though.
I got your back.
I have a first aid. I have first aid.
You make the dead fam. You make the dead fam. Fuck you. Show me where you are. They're all dead now. They're all dead now. They're all dead now. That's one down out of how in the car.
Are you keying one? I shot both of his tires out. He's got 3 tires out. Keep shooting the tires. Okay, there's a lot of tires out right now.
On the way back now. Truck's more important than your life right now. Truck's worth more than your life. If he puts the truck into the water, shoot out the chopper. Shoot out the chopper anyway.
No. I'm spamming that fucking helicopter. It should be unusable now.
Elliot. Cherry got no get a day job. I got no message saying that my name is destroyed. I'll talk to you around Cherry the helicopter. Cherry didn't get a day job. Yeah, she did.
Keen, I don't know if you care, but I'm gonna. Well, you will care, but I'm gonna put this back in the garage, alright? Yeah, you can't. I don't think you can, anyways. Did I? Good. Did you drive into it? Good fucking man. Good fucking man. They're fucking stuck there now.
Hey, get fucked, cunt! Do you hear me? Prick? Get fucked! Get fucked! Stupid twat!
I got RGM'd. Stop.
You killed you.
You're getting reported for RDM. No, not you.